Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Dr. Rusha Mandal and you are going to see more of dentistry, lifestyle, gardening and also cooking videos on my channel. So do subscribe. Today is the review video, as you know by the name of my video. Diwali is coming and I know all of you are very much concerned about your skin because it was the Durga Puja and you must have done quite a lot of makeup and your skin must be saying please stop and your skin must be facing a lot of problem. So today I will be telling you a bit of skincare on a product which I am recently using. It has been 3 to 4 weeks I am using this product. This is the very popular Mamaearth Uptan face mask, and I know many of you might have used this or many of you might not have used it. So I thought why not give you demo and the review of this product. The review is obviously tried and tested, as you all know that my reviews are always tried and tested and not sponsored, because I just want you guys to know the truth behind the product. The packaging comes in a box like this, and in this box there is a big tub of this Mamaearth Uptan face mask, and it also has one spatula. I will be showing you the spatula. They even gave a spatula, the application spatula with this. This is quite a big tub of 100 grams of product, and the product color is, as you open the tub you have a second lid on this, which is good. The color of the product is pale yellow, as you can see, because this is an Uptan face mask. So Uptan face masks have turmeric and many good ingredients, so this color is also very natural, I guess. And this costs rupees 499, which is a bit on the higher side, but you get a lot of product and the product is very thick, so it's not going to finish off very easily. 1 month I've been using this and you can see that I have quite a lot of product left in this. Has a shelf life of 2 years. So a very good thing about this product is that it is made up of all natural ingredients. I'll put all the ingredient list in the description box below, you can have a read. So this has a very natural fragrance. I mean, no chemical fragrance in this, not very overwhelming fragrance, also very mild fragrance, and it's kind of saffron and turmeric mixture. The fragrance, clayey fragrance it has. The highlighted ingredients on the tub also are, as you can see, saffron, turmeric and apricot oil. So these are the 3 ingredients which are very much highlighted on the box also. So I will tell you some of its very good effects on our skin. Saffron actually reduces the pigmentation marks or any blemishes which you have on your skin or any dark spots on your skin. So saffron is very useful for reducing those kind of spots. It also improves your skin tone and also brightens up your skin. Turmeric actually brightens the skin and brings out your inner glow. That is the reason we have the Haldi ceremony in India, to bring out that natural glow from the bride. So that is the reason we use turmeric. It also reduces the acne scarring which many people face, and also reduces dark brown spots and also the dark circles which people are getting due to work from home and working up late. So dark circles also is reduced by turmeric. The apricot oil also brightens your skin and gives you that softness and the radiance of your skin. So when you apply this mask, after you wash off the mask, you are going to see a very soft skin, softness on your skin. That is because of apricot oil. In addition to those 3 ingredients which I told you about, there are many good ingredients also in this. There is cucumber extract, papaya extract and many good essential oils in this. They are actually going to help you a lot. I will share my experience with you. After I use this face mask, my skin instantly brightens up and there is a very healthy softness to my skin which I really love, and the radiance which my skin has after using this. There is also cocoa butter which is also very good for your skin and for giving you that moisture, for giving that healthy softness and moisture to your skin. Let's see how I use the face mask. I will give you a demo on that. First I use a face wash to clean my face. Then on towel dry face I apply the Uptan face mask. With the spatula they have provided, you can use your hands, but somehow I felt it's easier to apply with the spatula. Leave the mask on for 15 to 20 minutes in lukewarm water and wet up a towel in the water. And just wipe off the mask like this. This removes the mask effectively rather than using water to wash off the mask. See, such a clear and healthy glow I have on my face. It effectively removes the tan from my face, which really builds up on my skin very much. I use this face mask once in a week and I have seen results. For 1 month I am using this and I have seen results. That is the reason I am sharing my experience with you guys. Very good thing about this product, it is paraben silicone free and it is dermatologically tested. It can also be used for very sensitive skin types. You know, some people have very sensitive skin types and they're very afraid to use different skin products, different skin mask or anything like that. So they can use this very much without any worry, because it can be used by people with super sensitive skin also. But yes, always do a patch test. You know, apply the product on your wrist or somewhere on your hand. If that gives any reaction, then do not use it on your face. And yes, I will tell you that I felt a bit of a tingling sensation when I leave the mask on for that 15 minutes. But that's okay, because most of the masks which I use make me feel that a bit of tingling sensation on my face when it dries up. That's totally fine. This product claims to lighten and brighten your skin and it does it very, very well. And I really loved this face mask. I will be repurchasing it after I finish it off, and you can also try it out. Everybody wants to look radiant before Diwali, so you can obviously buy this face mask and use it, and also share your reviews with me on my comment section below. No cons I found as such with this product. Only one thing just bothered me a bit is that the consistency of the product should have been a bit less thick, because it would have been easier to apply it. It's very thick, so it's a bit difficult sometimes to apply. You need a bit of more of product to apply it on your face. That's the only thing I thought should have made this product better. That's it. That was my review. My video was helpful to you. Do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon and leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching the full video and wish you a very happy Diwali in advance.